before we start this video, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at dantheman.com/Twitter. Make sure you guys send me a message in the comments down below that you did, because I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Daniel. Welcome back to the video, and welcome to my very first try not to laugh challenge. Now, yes, guys, before I start doing my Let's Plays and everything else, I thought maybe to bypass the time by maybe doing a try not to laugh challenge for all of you. Yeah. If you guys like Try Not to Laugh challenge videos, I hope you do. And plus, I got a surprise. My surprise is this! 110 subscribers? Wow. I must be good looking. I'm just kidding. But yeah, guys. Thanks for getting me to 110 subscribers, but I'm hoping I get to 1,000 in 2019, because Happy New Year to everyone, and I hope 2019 will be a good year for us, you know? Not that I'm saying that 2018 was horrible or anything, but yeah. What am I going to be reacting to, y'all might ask? Well, I'm thinking of reacting to a Try Not to Laugh challenge videos, the Rye Rye 99 edition. Yeah, I'm going to be reacting to Rye Rye 99's funniest videos called right here. Top 10 Countdown Rye Rye 99 Funny Moments. By the way, guys, subscribe to Rye Rye 99. He makes really good videos, and yeah, Rye Rye, congratulations on 500,000K. Without further ado, let's get started and don't laugh. By the way, if I laugh 5 times, I'm gonna have to punish myself. I'm gonna have to think of a punishment for myself, which you all will see next time, or whatever. Anyway, let's start. Going up, hit it. Oh yeah! A wink for me and Rye Rye 99. Going down to number 10. There we go.
You've been eating what Freddy's been eating, but sure.
What?
What? What do you mean?
What are you talking about?
The best piece. Well, the rye bread. Shut up! Oh, shoot. Ah. What? What? I killed you with the door! You closed the door on me!
Whoops!
You need to die. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Puppet!
Ah!
Oh! Were you expecting that? What? I wanted to sound like the puppet from Eat Goes Boom. Because, you know, Eat Goes Boom is pretty cool and he does the puppet voice or whatever. Anyway. Number 9. Gentlemen. Hello, BB and everyone. I'm Evil Dan. I have a surprise for you. Suck it, nerd. You think it's crash? Yes. Brother, get out of here. Fine. Uh-oh. Eat knuckle sandwich, Foxy. Yep. Sorry if the audio is loud a little bit, guys. Alright, number 8.
What's going on?
I haven't laughed yet. Dude, chill. It's just a game. Fail! Oh! Jeez! Whoa. It's okay, dude. Sorry if the audio is a little bit loud, guys. Wow. Why was I not expecting that? Number 7. Doing it so far.
Oh, wait.
What?
What's that noise?
What's up, Rye, my man?
What's that noise?
Dude, watch out. Whoa!
Come on, right away!
That was crazy. Nightmare Bonnie.
How are they supposed to stop that?
You were supposed to hear the breathing.
Why is my flashlight lagging? I don't understand that.
That means you're not checking on
What is going on?
not checking the
What
Freddles.
is going on?
Freddles!
Ah, God, what the?
Heck.
Freddy, where did you come from?
You didn't scare away the Freddles, dude. But it's not a big deal.
I'm looking to see if you're Mr. Plank again.
Plank?
Nope. Why? Hey!
A newspaper! Get him! By the way, guys, some of these I have seen and haven't seen, you know? Why aren't you firing? They didn't laugh. Fire! For the special strike. The special strike. Ouch. Come on. Oh, I laughed. Darn it, I laughed. I mean, that was only a little bit. I'll give that. Okay, that's one laugh down. 4 to go. I hope I can make it through this. Sorry if that was loud. Ah, stupid laugh. What do we got? Baby food. I did laugh at the other one. What?
It's like, it comes out like...
I laughed once, though.
Calm down, okay? Don't laugh.
By the way, if I laugh as many times as I do... By the way, if I laugh at like 5 times on the same video, like over and over, then I lose. Or whatever, I don't know. Okay, so, I laughed once. Let's see if I can laugh again. Right. Oh! Yuck. I think I know this one. This one's the baby food challenge. Like... What?
Are you okay?
Oh, wait. I laughed again, darn it. Why? You give your legs again. Drink.
Oh my
God. I laughed twice.
Okay. Are you okay? That was disgusting.
It was?
Really? It's on the floor. Let me smell it.
Is it good or bad?
Oh!
What?
Okay.
Is it bad?
Mine is peas.
Peas? What was yours?
What's yours? Prunes and oats.
Oh, man.
Prunes and oats.
I laughed again. For the 3rd time. Why? I need to close my big mouth, guys. I need to close my...
Rising Ray Box.
Shut up.
Wow.
Jesus Christ! That's my God! You're right there!
What?
Wait, what? Where?
What are you doing up there?
Are you guys watching this? Are you guys watching this? He's up there and he doesn't see me!
I didn't know it was going right. Back again for the 4th time. 4th time. Oh! What the hell?
I prefer the solitude.
What is... Okay, that was weird commercial. Yeah, but I laughed for the 4th time, or should I say the 4th time. Bonnie! Sorry, Foxy. Okay, 4 times I laughed. Wait. Hold on. Hey, Zach. 9. Oh! Snap! Because it's an outtake. I didn't laugh, guys. I didn't laugh. I was just breathing rapidly with pain in the back of my neck. Like right here. Really? Oh boy. Oh god, I'm halfway through. Can I make it? I'm gonna skip this one because it looks boring. I think I've seen this one before. This is one the... Oh yeah, this is the...
I said fish, tuna, and beef. I said fish and potatoes. Right.
What is this one?
Wait, shredded chicken and chicken liver? Wait, it's for cats.
What? What? No, I didn't laugh. I covered my mouth. That doesn't count. Or I don't know. Wow. Okay, this is the last one. I made it through. Let's see if this will make you laugh for the last time. I thought.
You got butter, popcorn, or rotten eggs. I don't like either of them. Oh god.
Cry baby. Is it?
Or rotten eggs. I had eggs this morning.
The Bean Boozled challenge. Is it good?
Tutti Frutti!
Okay. This is gonna be crap. I laughed. Darn it again! This is the 5th time! Whoops. I hear noise. Well, I lost. I lost laughing. By the way, for those of you that my first one. Wait, I think I did laugh like.
Are you okay? Where's the toothpaste point?
I think I did laugh 5 times. Like don't count. I mean, the first one. I know you guys thought I was faking, but I wasn't. That actually caught me. And number 5, I think. Forget that. I didn't.
Rotten eggs or butter popcorn? Rotten eggs.
Whoa.
When I first tried it,
Unlucky.
I was like, oh, this isn't bad, and then I had the aftertaste of it. Oh. Really?
Well, that's the end. Well, guys, I'm gonna end this video here for now, but I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Goodbye.